Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about SheVitality Cellulite Refill Kit. You should buy this product or not. So in this video I'm going to provide you 5 major red flags why you should not purchase this product. Otherwise you are going to face lots of issues, okay? So thanks for watching this video, okay? So let's get started. So first of all we will talk about this product. This is not a unique product. I want to show you something. Like you can see over here, there are lots of websites. Value V anti-cellulite device, and you can see Evogue anti-cellulite device, and there is one more website, Vanilla anti-cellulite device, and there is one more product, Bliss muscularly flow fit anti-cellulite device, and Milo cellulite massager, and you can see Elauris cellulite massager, and you can see Vanilla anti-cellulite massager, and you can see Levuri anti-cellulite massager. There are hundreds of websites who are selling same type of product. So how you can trust? The answer is you should not trust, because this platform is a very newly launched and you can see the trust score is very bad. Okay, so this is a dropshipping store, and this is a very newly launched store, and when you purchase product there is no guarantee you will get exact results as they shown in the advertisement. Okay, so you can avoid the product purchase, otherwise you are going to face lots of issues related to return and refund, related to product quality, related to, you can say, like results. Okay, so after purchasing product you are going to regret 100%, I can bet you. So if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Otherwise you can make your own decision. If you have lots of money, then you can waste your money. Okay, so this is the information. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.